I will teach Yana how to draw a fish. But not only Yana, but you guys. You're just
I allowed to use cheating things because I don't know how to train things.
So
Hindi,
first,
tatlo lang, isa lang ako.
First,
Konti lang.
banban na ng akin.
wag,
Ay, nakulit ng buhay niyo.
Ipapapain ko na siya.
Patay na pala siya ng 5 taon.
So first,
It's
Kaya
first.
nga, ang kulit niyo.
I'm
Kasi sabi ko, alam mo na basaan eh.
Hindi sama ko ito.
Kasama ka ba?
I'm Jimbo. I'm Jimbo.
Hilig lang yun.
Hey, you don't watch Amazing Videos?
bro, stop! I'm fumbling because of you.
Is that a fish?
I'm showing you how to draw fish.
Pwede cheat. Pwede mo cheat.
No, bawal mag-cheat.
But I don't know how to do.
So first, you're gonna draw something like, gonna hear? Something like this.
Get your hand. My turn.
Let's wait for Yana.
My turn. My turn.
I'm just gonna do some magic and abracadabra, shakalaka, and boom. Now show your drawing. Yeah, why is that unseeable?
It's too small.
There.
It's too
I did
small.
some magic. So next we're gonna erase a tiny bit of the top and a tiny piece but bigger than the last one.
Mixer.
Like, wait,
Like this, guys. I'm gonna shower.
no, I
Like this.
stop! Like that. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's okay. Because the whole point is to teach Yana. And sorry, my phone fell.
I got my eraser here.
That's not an eraser.
I can erase this.
Tatlo nga.
See, it cannot be erased. No. Boom. There. Yana is done. Next, we're gonna do lining like that, and circle. I'm gonna show you guys like this. There. Sure do.
We're gonna show you yours.
Huh? Huh? Yeah, I didn't know you could do magic too. Next, we're gonna do linings.
Like that.
Boom,
I do a mermaid.
boom, boom, and boom.
Guys, I know how to draw a mermaid. I can
Like
show
this.
you in the end.
No, you're not gonna draw a mermaid.
I'm gonna
They
show
want
them.
they want to draw a fish, not mermaid.
I'm gonna let them see my
No.
sister.
No.
Guys, do you want to saw it? They said yes.
No. Comment.
Yes.
Comment, Yana. We don't want to draw a mermaid.
Comment
maybe
yes.
next.
Comment yes.
Comment maybe
yes.
next time. Comment maybe next time.
Next.
Sorry guys, forgot. Now, Yana. We gotta cut again. Boom. Now, it's time for the fins. Let me erase. Sorry for forgetting to cut. And then, boom, boom. Now the other side. Boom, boom, and boom. And now this. we're gonna do something like this. You guys could do spikes or like
Lo,
what?
ang sarap
Like-
po, Iday.
Voldemort, like this.
Naiilang
Okay,
talaga
so
gusto
let
niya.
me just call Jan.
Boom.
Ano,
Sorry guys,
isa-isa.
because Yana's stupid. She forgot this. She forgot a pin. But
Siya na yung customer.
Yana, you're doing so beautiful.
Marami
Yeah,
akong
then-
laban dyan, ah. Ba't ano
Now
ba? Ba't
next
ano?
is scales. Yana's favorite part. Am I right, Yana?
Ano sa name dyan? Tip.
Guys, my hair is
Ano
so
yung
soft.
sinabi?
That's not the point of the video.
Tip yan.
I just sewing my hair.
Si Aira gusto niya, no?
Wait, guys, I'm gonna get her poop Iron Man.
So no, you're not gonna get my Iron Man. So
You never want Iron
scales will be trees like this. Now, Yana, let me just boom. Look.
Man. Mine is a ghost.
Yo, what's happening?
Mine
Now, because I don't like colors, time to share. And
Wait!
boom.
Wait!
Now it's time to wait for Yana. Ooh. Yep.
Oo.
Oh.
Binigay ko kay
Bro.
ano, kay maraming pot yun eh.
And now, if you guys
crack.
if you guys want to,
Burial with us.
if you guys think it's too plain, you can do bubbles like wait.
Sige na, bye. Nagbibideo sila Raiju, narinig ako.
Okay, no.
Yes, yeah, this kabay.
Stop.
Yes, yeah. Mamaya, guys. Oh, I'm gonna go home, mamaya. Bye. I'm gonna go to Pala. Just like and
Stop!
subscribe. Guys, I think it's so plain.
Subscribe to Lana Lay's vlogs. Lana Lay's vlogs. That's Yana's channel. But not the famous Lana Lay. The other one. Okay? You could do designs like this. On top, you will see a Voldemort because that is waves of water. So this is the finished design. You could add more Voldemorts to make the water more beautiful. And lines that are never perfect to make water. And